And I'm able to come with another story for all of you guys. Just as promised, Nigeria's singer Runtown has embarked on a peaceful protest to demand the dissolution of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad (SARS) of the Nigeria Police Force. Recall that he had offered to lead a protest today in response to the incessant attacks on youths by operatives of SARS. This has gone long enough and now we must take action. I'll be leading a protest to #Endsars on Thursday, October 8th, 2020, he tweeted. He also tweeted this morning, see you at 10, bring your face masks. Also, falz has made it known that he'll be joining in the peaceful protest with Runtown against SARS. I'm going to be playing the live video of the protest for all of you guys.
Max up, bro. Max up, max up. Alright, we'll wait for it. So 10:30 and then we move. Alright? 10:18 now. By 10:30 we start moving. Make sure everybody has their mask. I beg you.
Nigerians are giving accolades to Runtown and falz for keeping their word to Thursday is Thursday, not unlike nairamarley. News also has it that the popular comedian Mr. Macaroni is also going to be attending the Runtown and falz protest against SARS. As he tweeted, "Bye for now, I have a protest to attend. Hashtag Endsars protests." This is all for now. Any other news on this issue will be brought to all of you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification. See you when I see ya.